Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix D3D12.dll is missing from your computer. Let's fix it guys. Open up Chrome and search DirectX download. Press enter. Select the first link. Select the download option and now install the DirectX. Uncheck this install the Bing bar and select next. This will install the missing DLL files. Select next option. After getting installed and select the finish option and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select underscore administrator and select yes. And now type here sfc space slash scan and press enter. You just need to wait for the scan to get 100% complete. After getting this 100% complete, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. No further, well, guys, thank you.